All right, traders, let's get into it. Welcome to today's live market trading recap. Today is Freaky Friday, January the 13th. Friday the 13th. And for those of you guys and gals that were patient, you stayed disciplined, and you were laser focused on finding and identifying the perfect setup, you were handsomely rewarded today. All right, so let's get into it, guys. What you're seeing on the screen right now is today's price action of the S&P 500. It was an amazing Friday's trading session. We only had one retracement trade, and this was hands down the perfect setup. All right, so let me show you, let me educate you, let me entertain you today on this Freaky Friday, okay? What you're first seeing overlaid on top of this chart, okay, this green and red color band, you've heard me say this 1,000 times before. I'm going to continue saying that this indicator is the only trend trading indicator you're ever going to need. All right, this thing does a phenomenal job of telling you who's in control at any moment in time, okay? When this volume indicator is red, the sellers are in control. You know that. And when it turns green, as it did today at exactly 9 o'clock in the morning, today, it tells you that the buyers are in control. Plain as day, simple as that. Please do not overcomplicate this, okay? But here's the catch on how to use this technique. And I promise you guys, once you try this technique, you're going to have a light bulb moment. Things are going to start making sense, all right? The market is going to prove to you that it has structure, and that yes, you can find high probability setups on your own, okay? So check this out. Like I always say, guys and gals, when the indicator changes colors, all right, from red into green, all right, this is not a signal to randomly rush in and buy the market, okay? You want to exercise discipline. You want to exercise patience. And I already know a lot of you guys do not have either. Okay? Because a lot of you guys out there in YouTube land, you are focused on your garbage indicator, candlestick, Bollinger Band charts. This is complete trash. Okay? Complete trash. Because I have no idea how you're going to spot the starting point of a trend. Makes sense? Whereas over here, it's obvious. But we still do not take any action until the market gives us exactly what we're looking for. All right? And that is one of these. Okay? A textbook retracement bar. I'm laser focused on this bar right here, guys, just so you know which bar I'm looking at, okay? What's so special about this bar? Well, there's a simple 3-step process when it comes to identifying perfect setups on almost a daily basis, okay? Step number 1, you wait for the volume indicator to change colors, and it did right at this moment in time. This happened at exactly 9 o'clock this morning. Now, step number 2, we want to see the market establish some momentum, right? Prove to me that this bull run that's about to happen is real and it's not a fake out. Okay, so step 2 is also true. It ripped for a couple of ticks in our preferred direction. And step number 3 is the money leg. All right, we wait for the market to dip back, dip back, dip back, and we are looking for this exact pattern and setup. Okay, which is a green reversal bar that closes on top of a green band, and the low of that bar's got to be underneath the band. That's it. End of story, end of discussion, because when that happens, I look to go long immediately on the open of the next bar. So the open of the next bar is right there. Makes sense? I then place my stop loss 1 or 2 ticks underneath the signal bar's low. Guys, this is from today. All right, this is from today, like a couple of hours ago. Live market. And once I'm in this trade, I just let the trend do the heavy lifting for me. All right, guys and gals? You see how easy that was? On a Friday, when everybody else had checked out, they're out getting smashed, partying, drinking. No. As professional traders, we have always got to be on the lookout for high probability setups. This is our job. Take it seriously, because if you do, I feel very confident in telling you that you will be rewarded. Guys, that'll do it for this video. If you'd like to get your hands on this powerful volume indicator, then get in touch, call, text, email, whatever's convenient, and I'd be happy to hook you up with a free one-on-one demo, really show you how this volume indicator is going to supercharge your trading. Guys, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next trade.